Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Today, we are landing the Cessna 152 at Parlin Field Airport to be free in Hampshire in snow, and it is looking fun. Fun fact, did you know the Abenaki were master map makers long before European contact? They created highly accurate mental maps of rivers, portages, and mountain passes across what is now Vermont, New Hampshire, and southern Quebec. Early French explorers often relied on Abenaki guides because their knowledge of interconnected waterways allowed rapid travel across huge distances, sometimes faster than horses could. Travel on land. And please subscribe if you can. Butter, let's go 25 FPM. And happy Thanksgiving to all. I am very thankful for you. I hope you enjoyed this challenge and have a great, fabulous day.